now, when they come by the Arabian Sea, they will come and see this badge of honor and be inspired. What would you like to tell in conclusion to this little boy and indeed lots of little boys across India today?
You know, many years ago, even I was like this. I used to attend various functions. Cricket, I'm talking only about cricket right now because there are cricketers here. But generally talking about your passion in life, whatever you are passionate about, you have to understand one thing, that cricket first should live in your heart and then it finds its way to your brain. In the sense, once you start playing cricket, you figure out how to score runs and how to get wickets. But if you are not madly in love with cricket, play something else, do something else, become a doctor, lawyer, whatever. Whatever you are passionate about. When you are passionate about something, you don't look at your watch. You don't tell your parents, oh, I practiced for 2 hours, I practiced 120 balls I batted or whatever. You just practice till you get tired and till you are satisfied. Hard work obviously is important. People will notice all those things, but satisfaction will not be noticed by anyone. Only you will know within if you are satisfied with your effort or not. Okay? There will be tough patches in between. Don't cheat, don't find shortcuts. Okay? Because eventually you will be cheating yourself. So all I want to do is tell you to go out and chase your dream. It's important to dream, and then even more important to chase your dream. Okay? I'm sure you all want to play for India, right? You can answer me louder. Much better. Okay? So I want to wish you all the best. Enjoy cricket. Fall in love with cricket, okay? All the best. I can't start thinking of coming back again.
Well, look, you will live in our hearts forever. Whether you are there on the television screen or whether you are here with us, you will live in our hearts forever. For us, that's why this badge of honor is special. It is a small tribute to the concept of Sachin forever. Thank you very much for being part of this, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. You brought more joy to more Indians than anyone else I know. And just for that, for bringing those smiles on the face of all these young kids today, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Rajdeep. Thank you so much, Sachin. I would just request, Sachin, if I can get you here, just solo, first a solo snap with you and the background gentleman, ma'am, just a second. So a little ahead, so right about here. Mark. Yeah, this is good. Come on, people, keep that applause going. I can't hear you. Yeah, that's the way, that's the way. Alright, can we have one nice snap with Mr. Siddiqui, Mr. Rajdeep? I'd also like to invite the Group CEO of Network 18, Mr. B. Sai Kumar, and the Group COO of Network 18, Mr. Ajay Chako, to join them here, please. Alok, can we have you also here, please? Archana, ma'am. Aye, you've been doing a lot of calls and everything, a lot of running around. Let's have the applause going, keep the applause going. Boys, girls, ladies, gentlemen. Let's keep that chant going. And I'd now like to invite Abhijit Bansod and also Mr. Venkat Ramanan from Unity Consultant Contractors. Abhijit, Venkat, can we have you here, please? I'd also like to invite Vandana Malik. Vandana on a landmark, not just for Bandra, but for Mumbai, for India, in honor of the man, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Let's keep that applause going. All right, we have the many children here, like I said, from the Jadhav CC and Our Lady Salvation Academy. Can we slowly have you come in front for one photo op? Slowly, no hurry. We're all here. And also to sit down, please. No hurry, we've got huge cameras. Everyone will... Guys, can we sit down? Yes, let's All right, enough time. Don't worry, guys. Let's all sit down. Come back. Side. Give place for the cameras. Sunil. Cameras here. Smile for the camera. Everybody can be seen. Smile. All right. Round of applause. Can I have the kids come back, please? Wapas aa jaiye. Everybody come back. We'll do this later. Come on. Everyone, please sit down. We have to give a memento to Sachin. I can't hear you. On this moment, we just like to present a memento to you, Sachin. It is the miniature bat of honor. If you can just, Rajiv, if you could do the honors, please. To Sachin. Miniature bat of honor. इतना बड़ा bat तो Sachin घर नहीं ले जा सकते. So we're giving him a miniature bat so that he can always remember this. The legend of cricket! And can we have the other mementos? Rajdeep, can we just present this to Miss Dutt? And for Mrs. Siddiqui. And that one is for you. Sachin, if we can have one last photograph with slowly, आइए इधर आइए. Come on the side, come, spread out. Stand on the second step पे खड़ी रहिए. Perfect. Smile for the camera. Ladies and gentlemen, the legend Sachin Tendulkar, the bat of honor at Carter Road, Mumbai. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you so much, Sachin, for allowing us to honor you. Thank you so much, sir. That's good.